In this video, I will share some study suggestions for the last 10 days before INICET examination. So I have categorized the suggestion into three groups. First group is for those who are genuinely preparing for INICET examination and will be taking the exam. The second group is for individuals preparing for NEET PG but taking INICET to assess their capabilities. The third group is for dedicated NEET PG candidate but not able to appear in INICET exam due to any reason. In the first category, I think you are well prepared. So here are 5 things to focus on. Number 1. Revise highly important topics. Number 2. Concentrate on high-yielding subjects. Number 3. Practice previous year question. Previous year questions are crucial for INICET. Number 4. Avoid wasting your time on social media. Number 5. Stay healthy and motivated. So coming to the next group, first of all, it is not justified if you assuming your rank or position by checking INICET rank. Very frequently it is overshoot or undershoot, exempting those who are within 1k rank of INICET. But you can assume your level of preparation with respect to others. Actually, NEET PG questions have different pattern in comparison to INICET. So appear for the exam sincerely and create a perfect plan that will improve your NEET PG preparation. Now in this time, select 7 high-yielding subjects and 3 weak subjects. Divide the days into 4 plus 6 days, that is total 10 days. Now first 4 days, you have to allot 70% time for weak subjects and 30% time for high-yielding subjects. And then next 6 days, 70% time for high-yielding subjects and 30% time for revision of the weak and high-yielding subjects. As I always say, your plan is the best suited plan for you. Your plan is an important sign of successful plan. So always keep ready plan B so that you don't get demotivated when your plan A fails. Finally, the third group who are not appearing for INICET examination due to any reason but are preparing for NEET PG. Now target a GT exam 10 days after INICET examination. So you have total 20 days. 10 days before INICET examination and 10 days after INICET examination. Now you have two plans, like one plan mixed study pattern plan and one is separate study pattern plan. So in case separate study pattern plan, so first 5 days for weak subject, next 5 days for high yielding subject, then 4 days for revision of the topics whatever you read in last 10 days. So remaining 6 days, so in this remaining 6 days you have to open your previous GT or NEET PG recall exam. Now review them and analyze them, read accordingly every subject at that spot and identify the frequently asked concept, prepare sticky notes or 20 notebook for the volatile but important topics. Now if you follow mixed pattern of study, as for example, you have to allot 60% time of your day for weak subject, 20% for high yielding and 20% for GT question analysis for the first 5 days. Then next 5 days, 7% for high yielding, 30% for the revising the topics that you have covered in this days, and following 5 days, 60% for high yielding, 20% for revision and 20% for GT analysis. Now in the last 5 days, you have to revise the topic that was left, or you have to cover the weak points, or you have to make